Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off more activity about you notification on Facebook account. So friends, you don't want to use more activity about you notification on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to turn off one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, on your Facebook account we will turn on Facebook setting. First of all friends, tap here three line and scroll down here. Setting and privacy option, tap here. Setting option we will tap here, and you want to use your Facebook setting and privacy, so you can use it. Personal detail, password and security, ad performance. Friends, you can see notification option. If you tap here, so you can use notification setting, what notification you receive. So friends, comment notification is here. These are notification for comment on your post you want to use, so you can use. Tag notification friends, you can see get notification when you are tagged by anyone, friend to friend and friend only, so you can off and you can on. Friends, you can see reminder notification you don't want to use, so you can turn off your reminder notification, and you want to use, so click here cancel option. So friends, you can see fourth option, more activity about you. If you tap here, so friends, you can see first of all these are notification for when someone post on your timeline, react to your post and more. For an example friends, you can see your friend shared your post. So friends, you want to use more activate about your notifications, so you can use, and you don't want to use, you want to turn off, so allow notification on Facebook option friends, right side tap here turn off option. So friends, you cannot receive your more activity about your notification on your account. If you tap here right side turn off option, so friends, you can see more activity about your notification is off, you cannot use. So friends, when someone will share you any post, so you cannot use more activity about your notification setting on your Facebook account. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you went out, have any problem on Facebook settings, so friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will share, I will help you. Bye. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.